This is London with Bitcoin Spike and VIP Trader. We are open in New York. Let's talk about Tesla. Let's talk about NVDA. Let's talk about Bitcoin. In terms of the price action, Bitcoin overnight offering all of you a great trade. Let's look at the action real quickly on Tesla. Beautiful pickup on the 20 moving average on the 15 minute. Noted. Nice hit for anybody who picked this up. In terms of the chart layouts, everything that you're seeing, this was a 1.1% hit. And how long, guys? This was within the first minute, literally, of price action. Boom. Nice hit to the upside. Look at Tesla paying traders early within the first. And I tell you, this is London former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice. I like to get in trades. I like to get out of trades quickly, 8 to 10 seconds, 12, 15 seconds. Maybe a minute. Let's take a look at what Tesla's currently offering the traders just very quickly. And remember, not financial advice. You guys trade. We will trade in our trade group and we'll let you know how it goes. You do the same if you want to join, guys. Contact, it's VIP. You got it. In terms of the VIP membership, looking at the specific framework here, Tesla popping up over and out. Nice to see. This is the specific 1 minute time frame. We have targets to the upside. I will let you know on NVIDIA. What was the point on NVIDIA? We were concerned about a re-hit here. Boom. Down to the preceding level of resistance on the ascending triangle. That was a pick up level and bam. We have hit into our specific fire and ice indicator on the 5 minute. That's our green buy line. Bam. Nice hit on NVIDIA. And that was the, I'd say, hesitancy yesterday. Not as big of a hit, 0.67% to the upside. Nonetheless, in the first minute, 2 minutes of price action, you were offered the potential for a trade on NVIDIA. Bam in, bam out. Guys, clear it. Nice trade. In terms of the overall expression here on the 5 minute, we're looking at a potential for a bump and run again with that complication to the downside noted yesterday. The overall consideration that we are looking at would be the specific under the 4 hourly. Was it the 4 hourly? Let's pay attention. Yes, 4 hourly. This is on NVIDIA. Let me go to actually, let's go to, we have a nice surprise. Looks like we have a nice surprise bounce after settling underneath the specific, guys, after setting underneath the specific on NASDAQ. Guys, looking at the NASDAQ underneath this specific 20 moving average, we do have a rebound. Nicely done. Trying to reinforce that 20 moving average on the 4 hourly. It's an area of interest. We saw NVIDIA and Tesla both doing this either on the daily or the 4 moving average, the 4 hourly 20 moving average yesterday. Nice to see NASDAQ a bit further behind in terms of an expression of a coincident technical, just a comparative technical. Let's go back over into Tesla and take a look at this price action to the upside, up 1.64%. Nicely done. Great trade action. Pre-market was just a bit soft. If you see, it went down essentially to a fire sale line. Very nice. That's our custom indicator, fire and ice. If you are VIP and using this indicator, I know that you have a better shot at the market, and we have personal information that you're doing very well. Congratulations to all the VIP. Let me go ahead and make sure that I'm in the chats. We get excited about open. I get excited about the opportunity that you guys know. It's a small knit group. We do not just publicly disseminate all the information here. We're not running billboard ads trying to get in massive droves. It's one of the issues that I have is we'll talk about this. Do we have upside targets right now on Tesla? Let's go ahead and look at Tesla since it's moving, and keep an eye on NVIDIA. I'm changing my other screen on the side to NVIDIA to make sure that I am not losing perspective. In terms of Tesla and NVIDIA, market leaders, bottom line, without a doubt. Tesla any day of the week can surprise. This is the same point we were at yesterday. You know this. Where do I get? I get to the point personally where I start saying, understand the market wants your time. Why? Because the market opened, literally just opened. The market has offered you in the first 5 minutes an opportunity to trade. And you'll see this repeated throughout your trade career, as you would call it, your experience, is that the market will reward, give an opportunity to trade, and then it will want your time. You understand this without a doubt. I say that with frequency. So in terms of the distinctions here, let's look at the specific targets that we have to the upside. We're going to go over the specific, when I say target to the upside on the hourly, let's look at the hourly real quickly. And as you trade Tesla, you know the following. This area of preceding resistance is loaded with orders. It just is. Go to your 1 minute time frame. It's loaded with orders here. Boom. You know this. Will they pick up? Well, as you have just traded well and made money first 5 minutes, you can decide, was this trade, boom, boom, big enough in terms of the first 5 minutes? Or do you need to or want to proceed and allow the specific, as we look at this, what's got my eye a bit, it's going to be NVIDIA. But yes, make that determination. Make that consideration in terms of the market wants my time, all right? In terms of the specifics here on NVIDIA, you see perfect. Guys, this is nice. I don't need to hear anything but a shout out from guys from Do It in Slack in the back where we trade. But this is a bump and run lead in on NVIDIA. You see this ascending triangulation. What happened? Yes, satisfying the interest with a pickup below, boom. And now you're seeing price just inexplicably climb. If you did not catch the specifics yesterday in terms of my explanation of this pattern, that is classic VIP. This is London with Bitcoin Spike and VIP Trader. Way to trade. Beautiful pickup on NVIDIA. What do we say, guys? Nicely done. That's a bump and run. That is why I bring it up. This is what they will do. And if you're privy to this type of pattern recognition, if you put the time and effort in, if you've guys consulted the authorities in terms of TA, you know what this is. I tell people, first of all, there's no shortcut in trading. Without a doubt, there's no shortcut. You need to be able to identify this lead-in phase on NVIDIA. Get to where you can identify these. I'm going to encourage you. I would tell you any trader should be required to trade 500 of these patterns. I'm telling you, there's no shortcut. In terms of the identification, you will accelerate your opportunity to participate in the profit equation with a bump and run. This is the lead in. This is the bump, and we would additionally like a run. When you trade these, I will let you know on NVIDIA with nice action. Return again to the flat top resistance. What is that, guys? We see that commonly in the market. It's a common feature we see in the market with the return to flat top resistance, which on the candle wicks we got this morning. Beautiful pickup. Way to go. Little bit of a deep dive. Where was it? Right in line with preceding level of support. That pivot to the left. So as we're assessing these specific patterns, I just want you to expect to be surprised to an extent in terms of the functioning of a bump and run. Please consult Tom Bulkowski, Encyclopedia of the Chart Patterns. I am not selling anything. Tom, I know I communicate with Tom. I'll say that with a degree of frequency. He's a very nice guy, and he's the best. Not because I communicate with him. Find another book with the level of proficiency and data analytic that Tom includes. Bottom line, Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns, a big deal. As you would assess your specific targets to the upside on Tesla, please look into your hourly and your 4 hourly. They're both showing that we're currently up above the 20 moving average with the top side band. Beautiful in terms of this specific framework. We have a bottoming formation. Okay, I'd like to just let me clean the chart up just a bit. In terms of the specifics, how would we measure to the upside? Remember, fractional completions. We're going to measure from the low to the high. Click 1 and click 2 is the low to the high of the pattern. I want you to click 3, drag across. And where are we at in terms of the amplitude move to the upside? We're very big on fractional completion. Pay attention. The entire market wants to take the 100% amplitude and raise it here. Boom. Okay. Well, that would be a 100% completion to target. More frequently, with a higher level of probability, we're going to hit that 50%. The probability is higher of a fractional completion on nearly every single pattern that a trader will face in the trade day. You guys know my style. I like to get in. I like to get out. I've told you where orders are here. We explain the possibility for a pickup on NVIDIA here lower at preceding flat top resistance. Bam. If you participated here and you're watching this pattern play out, what I'll tell you is this is where experience pays in terms of the probability of beating this bump and run or beating or meeting the bump and run level of resistance. This is a nice trade day. This is London with Bitcoin Spike and VIP Trader. Guys, we're 10 minutes. We are over and out. Those were good trades. Let's get in the bank. Let's continue to trade. And remember, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice. We'll be going over some VIP trades here in the next couple of days and hope you're working into a good weekend way to trade. We'll talk to you soon, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.